Welcome to Mysuru, home of one of the most visited palaces in India. Stunning architecture and glowing lights every Sunday night.
Bro, this palace gets over 6 million visitors a year, and you just became the funniest one.
Marvelous villain, confirmed.
Guys, this palace was home to the Wadiyar dynasty for centuries. And today, it's Spider Dynasty.
Check this out. This is the Durbar Hall where kings used to meet ministers.
Now King Spider approves pizza for all.
Mysuru is also famous for its classical dance and Dasara festival. Spider Natyam.
Whoa, royal selfies incoming.
Mirror says, I am the better Spidey.
Bro, the palace has over 97,000 bulbs for night lighting. One short circuit, boom, biggest Diwali ever.
Palace has 3 entrance gates: Jayamarthanda East, Jayamarthanda South, and Karikal North.
This place's architectural style is Indo-Saracenic, a blend of Hindu, Mughal, Rajput, and Gothic styles. Relax, it's not Green Goblin, just Royal Birdie.
This suite was invented right here in the Mysuru Royal Kitchens.
Respect, best invention after web shooters.
Bro, Mysuru Palace is India's second most visited attraction after Taj Mahal.
And tonight, it's Spider HQ.
Better than Times Square, huh?
And cheaper on electricity bills.
From Mysuru's Royal Palace, 2 Spidermen bring you history, comedy, and action.
Next departure will be updated soon.